I had to shut off the camera for a second, but again, these are my, so tomorrow they'll be 7-week-old Cornish cross. We're going to walk out there and get a closer look at him. See? Dig and run. There's my big roo. And here they come. Happy guys. They scored these apples from the neighbors. They're pretty happy about it. Well, there they are. Cute as can be. My little chubbies. I wonder if in a week I'll be able to catch them trying to crow. The only thing funnier than watching them run to you is watching them run away from you. It's a chubby girl. Alright, so before they eat me, I'm going to have to move because they're surrounding me and pecking at me. Here they are.